Hi. Moving to South Carolina. When we move, I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna be organized. If you are the organized type, then you're saying, oh no, 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 I don't want to see anymore. More distracted than usual because our youngest son, who lives in New York, goes to school there, has been home this week.
I'm in town this week.
Can I make you something to eat? Do you like some eggs? Do you want some food? Cookies, pie? Have you ever seen? Well, I could put the handles, oh, here's some wasp spray. I should put that over. Right here, see? So organized. But now what? Oh no, the saloon. Oh, I can't get in here. Anyway, there's a little bit of really sad maple leaf rag. I remember painting that on purpose. I thought it was a very pretty flower. So, okay, it's been a long night. I've been scrubbing a lot and I got bloody places on my hands, but it's worth it. So much better now. Oh, it's all clean. It's not clean. Try all these things. You know what it takes to get chalk type paints off? Stripper. And I ain't talking about the kind that makes a whole lot of money. I'm talking about this. I'll be stripping tomorrow. What? Don't miss it. I'm kidding. This is DIY paint, and I have used a pressure washer. Just dumped hydrogen peroxide and bleach on it. Let that soak. Scrubbed it around with this wire brush. Scraping it with, and it says on there, do not thin out. Okay, I did use my spray bottle. I couldn't help it. I'm not trying to blend, that's dumb. Okay, because it's really thick, I just used a little cup measure and kind of plonked it out. Was able to just roll it, smush it and roll it out. That's the easiest way that I found. So I'm trying to recap, which I am terrible at doing. I think I have the process streamlined and I wanted to share it with you in case you too need to clean your garage floor. You too have paint and stain on it or something else. If you guys want to let me know how many of you have cleaned a garage floor and can do it better than this, I would love to hear it. I'm in no way saying this is the best way. Sweep it, swept it, scraper, a putty knife, you know what it looks like. The big chunks of things, you know, so that it would be fairly smooth. Right? Then I swept the debris, and then I used Krud Kutter, and I just sort of sprayed it around, and then got a little mop and some water and mopped it. Oh no, I scrubbed it. I lied. See, I just want to start. I want to start. I did glop some of that stripper down, and I scrubbed that in with a brush and washed all that off, and rolled on the paint. And then cut in the edges. Then editing the video, because it's hard. I'm talking the whole time. What? It's too much, Kristen. I'm gonna get this done tonight. And it's gonna be up. And you're gonna love it. But if you don't, watch for the next one. Because I got footage for that already too. I think that I should get a guest. Ooh, look at that. Oh.